Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys the tab features added in Photoshop 2022. First is the object finder, automatic selections on hover. From the new update, the object selection tool has new capabilities that empower you to automatically select a portion of your image as you hover over it and click. Once you hover and click it, it will make the selection, and by holding the shift key, it will allow you to add selection in the same layer. From the top menu, you can also click the square button to show the selectable objects from your image. Test. Beside the square icon, there's additional settings beside it, and if you click it, there's a drop down to reveal additional settings. You can set auto refresh selection or manual refresh. You can also change the color of the hover and add outline as well. They also added a new Mask All Objects button under the Layer menu. This function allows Photoshop to mask all selectable objects from your image, create individual layers with all the masking applied for you. So number 2 is one of my favorite updates in Photoshop. Now you can copy and paste Illustrator artwork directly in Photoshop, even with the original layers included. So in this example, I'm gonna be copying this artwork. It's the AJ Photo Booth logo. It's all layered originally. So I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna go to Photoshop and directly paste it. From the pop-up window, you will see the new layer option in the first list. Let's go ahead and select this option to preserve the original layers from Illustrator. So now after the import, you will see from layer panel that there's a new folder, group layer, and if you expand this layer, you'll see that the layers were organized as you originally created in Illustrator. You can also edit the shapes by using the pen tool like how you do it in Illustrator. So number 3 is the new landscape mixer from Neural Filters. To use this feature, let's go ahead and click the filter from the top menu, then select Neural Filter to open the Neural Filters panel. From All Filters tab, let's select Landscape Mixer to open up the preferences. Now let's click one of the image under presets to see what Photoshop Sensei going to come out with. I think it's pretty good. It did a good job, and let's go ahead and try another example. Let's go ahead and click the spring. I think this feature is really good. So far, every time I click on the other option, it's doing a pretty good job. The next new feature is the Harmonization Neural Filter. This feature allows you to match colors from your existing image in your document. This is helpful especially for compositing image and combining image with different color and exposure properties. To use this feature, let's go ahead and activate the harmonization feature. From the reference image dropdown, let's choose the landscape background from my document. And let's go ahead and adjust the brightness if you're not satisfied with the result. You can also change the magenta, adjust a little bit of the cyan. I think it looks good. When you're satisfied with the result, let's go ahead and click OK and select the new layer option. I think the result looks good. Our number 5 is Cloud File Comments. This feature allows you to upload your document to the cloud and share your document for feedback and comments, or invite people to edit. So in this example, let's upload this document to the cloud and just name it whatever you want. For example, I'm just gonna name it landscape. Now it's uploaded. We can share it. After uploading, just copy the link and paste it in your browser. Now your document is in the cloud, and this is what they're gonna see. They can add comment. Let's say an example. I like the original better. I like the original image, and then just click submit. Now our comment is in the comment section. You can also edit and delete. Now let's edit it. Now I just commented on my own work. Let's go back to Photoshop and go to comments window. Now we can also add our comment from this panel and just reply back to my own comment. Okay, I'll work on the changes. There you go. We can also reply from here. I am replying to my own message. There you go. So that's it for the top 5 new features. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon to get notified for my new uploads. I'll see you guys on my next one. Peace.